Assalamu alaikum, dear educarians. I hope you all are doing well and taking good care of yourself. This is going to be your fifth lesson, and in this lesson we will discuss unit number 4, page number 50. Dear students, after winter vacations, you are welcome to New Year. How was your winter vacations? We have taken break, so now we are ready to work again. Dear students, in our previous lesson we have studied about animals that live in very cold places. Now we are going to start our next lesson, so let's move. So, the material required for this lesson is lead pencil, eraser, ruler, highlighter along with your textbook Miracles of Science and science notebook, and today you will also need your winter pack that has been provided by the educators. Dear students, I hope you have collected that all these things and you are ready for this lesson. So dear students, by the end of this lesson you will be able to explain animals that live in very hot places and explain adaptation in plants. Dear students, please open your science book and come to page number 50. Write down today's task, day and date at the top of the page. Today our topic is animals that live in very hot places. Most animals that live in very hot places like camels, lizards and snakes rest during the day and look for food at night. They can store water in their bodies for a long time. They can close their nostrils to keep out scent. प्यारे बच्चों, एनिमल्स जो हॉट प्लेसेस पर रहते हैं वो दिन में रेस्ट करते हैं और रात को फूड फाइंड करते हैं. वो एनिमल्स अपनी बॉडी में पानी स्टोर करते हैं, जैसे कि कैमल्स, लिजर्ड और स्नेक. Adaptation in plants are fitted. Plants that grow in very cold places have needle-like leaves to help reduce water loss and survive snowy conditions. They make seeds inside cones. Plants that grow in very hot places have thick fleshy stems which can store water. Their leaves are very tiny. They have very deep roots to reach out for water. They have hard waxy coats and thorns for protection. Plants and trees that grow in forest have broad leaves that fall off in winter. Some plants have a sticky juice or a strong smell so that animals may not eat them. प्यारे बच्चों, प्लांट्स जो कोल्ड प्लेसेस में ग्रो करते हैं उनके नीडल लाइक लीव्स होते हैं. वाटर लॉस को रिड्यूस करते हैं और प्लांट्स की हेल्प करते हैं कि वो स्नोई कंडीशंस में सरवाइव कर सकें. लॉस मीन्स नुकसान. प्लांट्स जो हॉट प्लेसेस में ग्रो करते हैं उनके थिक और फ्लैशी स्टेम्स होते हैं जो पानी को स्टोर करते हैं. प्लांट्स के लीव्स टाइनी होते हैं. टाइनी मीन्स वेरी स्मॉल, छोटे. जो प्लांट्स और ट्रीज फॉरेस्ट में ग्रो करते हैं उनके ब्रॉड लीव्स होते हैं जो विंटर्स में फॉल कर जाते हैं. कुछ प्लांट्स की स्मेल स्ट्रॉन्ग होती है और स्टिकी जूस होती है जिसकी वजह से एनिमल्स उनको नहीं खाते. Dear students, now we are going to start our exercise. Question number 1. Choose the correct answer. 3/4 of the earth's surface is covered with water. Second, 1/5 of the air is a gas called oxygen. Third, the sun provides energy for all living things. Fourth, the gas that plants use for making their food is carbon dioxide. Fifth, the soil contains many minerals which help plants and animals to grow healthy. Sixth, herbivores have special teeth that help them to chew leaves and grass. And the last is, several food chains are interconnected to form a food web. Question number 2. Fill in the blanks to complete the statements. Living things are linked to other living things as well as to the non-living things in the world. Number 2. Plants use energy from sunlight to make their food. Third, animals that only eat plants are called herbivores. Fourth, animals that only eat other animals are called carnivores. Fifth, omnivores are animals that eat both plants and other animals. Sixth, tiny living things in the soil such as bacteria and fungi are called decomposers. Seventh, when a living thing changes to fit its surroundings, we say it has adapted. Eighth, plants that grow in very cold places have needle-like leaves. And the last is, plants that grow in very hot places have thick, fleshy stems which can store water. Question number 3. Study the food chain. Write the name of a herbivore, caterpillar, carnivore, bird, consumer, cat, producer, lettuce. Dear students, please open your winter pack and come to page number 10. Here is a worksheet for you. Topic: living things and their environment. Dear students, write down your name, section and date. Dear students, after the completion of this worksheet, paste it on your science notebook. Question number 1. What is biosphere? The part of the earth where living things are found is called biosphere. Question number 2. What are producers? Green plants are called producers because they make their own food. Question number 3. What are consumers? Animals and humans cannot make their own food. They are called consumers. Question number 4. What is food chain? Food energy passes from plants to animals in the form of a long chain is called food chain. Question number 5. What is environment? The natural world in which people, animals and plants live is called environment. Question number 6. Define food web. Number of food chains connected to each other. Dear students, after the completion of this worksheet, paste it on your science notebook. So dear students, I hope that you understood each and every point of this lesson. So here is a short assessment for you so that you can assess yourself. So let's see what we have in here. First one, some plants have a dash or dash so that animals may not eat them. Number 2, plants that grow in very hot places have thick dash which can store water. Dear students, write down the answers of each one of them within 5 minutes. So dear students, now this is time for task to do. So what you have to do is learn worksheet number 2, learn highlighted points of page number 50, learn exercise question number 1, 2 and 3. Quick review of today's lesson. Dear students, we have studied animals that live in very hot places and adaptation in plants in our today's lesson. So dear students, after each lesson, we have some fun facts for you which will enhance your knowledge. So today's fun fact is, camels are very strong and can carry up to 900 pounds for 25 miles a day. Dear students, I hope this fun fact will add to your knowledge. So dear students, I'll see you in my next lesson. Till then, take care and Allah Hafiz.